In this tutorial, we're going to be exploring the world of relational comparison operators in JavaScript. These operators offer us a way to compare values with each other. So, let's dive in. In the above code, we're making use of the greater than operator. We're comparing two variables, a and b, to see if a is greater than b. This will return a Boolean value, true or false, depending on the validity of the comparison. As you can see, the output we got was false. This is because 10 is not greater than 20. Now, let's try the less than operator. This time we're using the same variables, but we're checking if a is less than b. Again, this will return a Boolean value. And there you have it, the output is true because 10 is indeed less than 20. Let's now have a look at greater than or equal to operator. We've changed the value of a to 20. So, now we're checking if a is greater than or equal to b. The output is true this time. This is because 20 is equal to 20, even though it's not greater. Lastly, let's check out the less than or equal to operator. We've set a back to 10 and we're checking if a is less than or equal to b. And we got true because 10 is indeed less than 20. So, when do we use these operators? You use these operators anytime you need to compare values in your code. Maybe you're sorting a list, or checking if a user is old enough to sign up for your website. Anytime you need to make a decision based on a comparison, these are the operators you'll be using. And that wraps up our tutorial on relational comparison operators in JavaScript. I hope you found this helpful and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy coding!